Hi there, this is Amy Oztan of AmyEverAfter.com, and I wanted to give you a very quick tutorial on one of my favorite Photoshop tools. I find myself using it a lot, and it's super simple, and I'm guessing a lot of people don't even know that it's there, and it's called Perspective Warp. So I have a picture open right now that I took yesterday, and it's in a subway station in New York City. And it was a really narrow area. It's in a stairwell, and I couldn't get directly in front of it and still get the entire picture, the entire mural in my camera. So I had to stand a little bit off to the side on the stairs to get the whole thing in there. But the angle really bugs me. I don't want to post it like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to Edit and Perspective Warp. And then what we're going to do is we're going to drag this frame around so that it matches the mural. Put it there, line it up there. It takes, it takes a few tries to get it to match up all around. But you really want to get it as exact as you can. Move that a little closer. Just watch the lines of the frame. You want to get them on the outside of the mural. I'll fix the bottom a little bit without messing up the parts that I've already done. All right, that actually, come down a little bit here. Okay, that actually looks good. All right, now from here, once you have it where you want it, you press this, and that's going to lock it into place. And from this point, you could just grab a corner and skew it any way you like. But 99% of the time, I'm just trying to get it to have right angles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this right here, and that's going to line it up vertically. Press this, it lines it up horizontally, and we're done. And you press this, and don't panic, it's going to go back to what it was for a sec while it kind of processes it. And there you go. You're done. That was it. And now it looks like I was standing right in front of it when I took the picture. It looks totally normal and natural. All I have to do now is just crop it the way I want. Let's see. Get some of those tiles in there. Because, what's a subway picture without really dirty tiles? That looks, maybe bring this in a little bit more. Is that even? There we go. All right. And that's it. I mean, I'll probably do some brightening up just because it was a really dark stairwell and maybe make the colors pop a little bit. But as far as the perspective goes, we're done. That was so ridiculously easy. That's it. That's Perspective Warp. Enjoy. If you learned something from this, I'd really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if there's anything else in Photoshop that you would like to learn about, let me know. Maybe I'll do a video.